To cut the chicken, we will cut them into sort of like the size of a mahjong, around 1 inch by 2 inches. Not too big, not too small. Remember to use a separate cutting board. Then we will use 1 teaspoon of sugar for seasoning. I will also mix the chicken with 1½ tablespoon of cornstarch. And then we will add 2 tablespoons of oil and saute the onion first. Make sure when you saute the onions, they become transparent and soft, but not burn. Then we can add the lemongrass, and the chili and garlic. Make sure you stir fry them over high heat and smell all the aromas.